Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Kia Sportage 2 here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen on the centre of the dash. And from here, I'm going to press where the time is, in the top centre of the screen. And once it's on date and time, you just want to click on there where the time is. And from here, you can adjust your date and then your time, and then just press back, and now that's confirmed. Now you have time format on there if you want a 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock. And again, press back. And then you have daylight saving time when the clocks change. And that's it.